manual gearbox directly involves the driver, who has to operate the gear stick in order to engage every single gear while driving. Cars equipped with a manual gearbox are usually cheaper and low maintenance. By fully pressing the gear clutch pedal, the clutch disc moves away from the flywheel, thus disconnecting the rotation between the engine and the gearbox. The pairs of gears of the primary and secondary shaft are always meshed with each other, but one of the two is not directly connected to its shaft. By moving the gear selector to first gear, the free gear is connected to its shaft. At this point, by releasing the clutch pedal, the gearbox primary shaft reconnects to the engine and the car moves. In order to change gear while driving, the free gear of each pair is equipped with a synchronizer that allows the primary shaft to synchronize its speed with the gear. With that in mind, we can now shift into second gear, third gear, fourth gear, and fifth gear. This type of transmission is able to achieve smooth gear shifts, but unfortunately, it has a low yield, as well as a higher purchase and maintenance cost compared to other types of automatic transmissions. The elliptic gear train differs from others because it uses planetary gear combination and a torque converter instead of gear couplings and a clutch. In this planetary gear set arrangement, we can notice that there are two inputs and one output. If we vary these two input speeds, we can achieve a different output speed. By adding another set, we can notice that the carrier, which is the output of the second set, is connected to the internal ring gear, which is only one part of the inputs of the first set. This coupling forms a simple automatic two-speed transmission. Two clutch packs are arranged on the internal ring gears. When the clutch pack of the first set is pressed, it stops the movement of its gear ring, which is the first input, but not that of the sun gear, which is the second input. In this way, the sun gear moves the planet gears and the carrier, and we will get the first gear. By releasing the clutch pack of the first set and pressing the second set, the carrier, which is the output of the second set, will be able to rotate the ring gear of the first gear, giving a greater speed at the exit of the first set, and we will get the second gear. More sets form the other gears, and if they were activated all together, they form further ratios. So with just 3 sets, we can get 6 gears and 1 reverse gear.